do have a storm system on the way. A strong area of low pressure is expected to pass southeast of Newfoundland over the course of Sunday and into Monday. In Newfoundland, eastern sections and the Avalon Peninsula will be the hardest hit. Up to 45 centimeters of snow is expected for the Avalon, with 15 to 30 centimeters expected elsewhere in the warning area. There will also be wind gusts to 100 kilometers per hour along the immediate areas of the coast. Winds may reach 120. Your storm coverage starts tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock a.m. on our website, also on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well. In other news, Corner Brook RNC are investigating a hit and run that happened around 4 o'clock p.m. on Friday afternoon. Police say the hit and run occurred in the area of Confederation Drive. The vehicle that was hit sustained minor damage. And finally, due to the rising tension and threat of violence in the Middle East, Canadians are asked to exercise a high degree of caution or to avoid traveling to some countries altogether. As of Saturday, Canadians should exercise a high degree of caution in Saudi Arabia, Lebanon, Jordan, Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman, Israel, and the West Bank, and along the Gaza Strip, along with the United Arab Emirates. Travel to Afghanistan, Syria, Iran, and Iraq should be avoided. In the weather forecast, I have an update on your storm system, including the latest watches and warnings in effect.
We were getting married in the most beautiful rural setting. My mom got sick and couldn't be with us for our big day. I was heartbroken. Thankfully, we discovered Xplornet. They responded right away and connected us to high-speed internet. Our big day was incredible because it felt like Mom was there.
Xplornet. Connect to what matters.
The Avalon and eastern sections of Newfoundland is getting hit with what will likely be one of the biggest storms we will see this winter. There are several warnings in effect. There's a snowfall warning in effect for Bonavista North and Gander and vicinity. There's a winter storm warning in effect for the Bonavista Peninsula, down through Canagra, Clarenville, the Burin Peninsula, and also for the Avalon. And for St. John's Metro and the Avalon Peninsula North, we have the winter storm warning, and there's also a special weather statement for some high waves that are expected. Your provincial weather outlook for Monday looks like this. The good news is by Monday, most of the storm will be out of our hair. However, waking up, we are still looking at some snow and blowing snow expected for the Avalon Peninsula. -1 will be the daytime high in St. John's. Gander, snow, blowing snow, and -3. Flurries expected for our friends in Marystown, Grand Falls, Windsor. Back across the west coast, hardly anything expected, probably a couple of centimeters of snow for Corner Brook. Bit chilly though, -7 as the daytime high. And Labrador, just going to kick it back and take it easy for your Monday, looking at a mix of sun and cloud, slight chance of a morning flurry, Happy Valley Goose Bay, temperature right around -20 degrees. As we take a look at your 5-day for St. John's, another 2 to 4 centimeters expected throughout the day. On Monday, the storm will end by the afternoon. We are going to see some gusty winds predominantly in the morning, with gusts to 100 expected. And then for Tuesday, -3 with a chance of some flurries. Wednesday and Thursday, we are looking at flurries both days. Friday, quite cool, a daytime high of -12 with a chance of some flurries. And then moving along to Gander, 5 centimeters of snow expected for your Monday, winds gusting to 70. And again, that will abate as the morning progresses. And then for Tuesday, a mix of sun and cloud, a -7 expected. Wednesday and Thursday, Gander also looking at some flurries, and we are looking at -14 as a daytime high on Friday, with a chance of seeing some flurries as well. And then for the west coast, we are looking at anywhere from 1 to 3 centimeters of snow in Corner Brook, -7 as the daytime high. Continuing on with the theme of -7 for your Tuesday and for your Wednesday, which actually seems warm if you take a look at Friday with a daytime high of -12, some flurries expected for Wednesday, Thursday, and for your Friday. That is a look at your news and your weather. As I said, your storm coverage starts tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock a.m. In the meantime, you can also check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram as well. Have a fantastic day.